I met Wanjop, guys. This is Wanjop, one of the biggest musician out here, and I also love his song. Meghalaya, guess whom I met? Wanbhaa Club, Johnny and MONMi. Woo, the biggest guys. Shipek and Harpet guys outside here. Let me welcome Khraw Umdor, guys.
Hi.
Yeah, hi, what's up, bro? Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.
And Bolbaring is out here. Bolbaring, oh, Bakariding. Oh, you know, that is the guy behind this hit, guys. Amunick.
Thank you
nice
so
to
much.
meet you again, brother. They're so talented, guys. Those guys,
Thank you.
they're really
Thank
doing
you.
well. And I'm so happy to meet them. Thank you. Let's have a
Okay.
peek. Okay guys, today I met Wanjop, guys. This is Wanjop, one of the biggest musician out here, and I also love his song. I also use one of his songs, Shanam, guys. Yeah, thank you for the song.
Thank you, and keep subscribe.
Thank you, subscribe to his channel. Thank you, credit goes to back. Thank you, Wanjop. Shanam. Thank you so much, brother. Yeah, pass it to me. EIBANROY, come. Meeting the legend now. Now come all of you.
Yeah, one more.
All of you.
Can you do this? Thank you so much.
Okay. Let's start the vlog, guys. Yo, Meghalaya, Shillong people. I'm here with the celebrity.
No.
The people who are promoting Meghalaya, making good hit here. Let me welcome Khraw Umdor, guys. This guy, I know him. I also reacted to his song. He has a lot of fun. People love his song. Most of his song is so emotional and kind of a sad, but based on a true story. I also like his song. Welcome, bro. Say hi to you. Say hi here.
Hello guys.
Yeah, this is Khraw Umdor and EIBANROY. Yeah, hi. What's up, bro? Nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.
And Bolbaring is out here. Bolbaring, oh, Bakariding. Oh, you know, that is the guy behind this hit, guys. Amunick.
Thank you
Nice
so
to
much.
meet you again, brother.
This is my DJ.
Yeah, your DJ, guys. Okay, nice to meet you all, guys. Thank you so much. Love from Africa. Meghalaya, guess whom I met? Wanbhaa Club, Johnny and MONMi. Woo, the biggest guys. Say hi. Finally met Johnny and MONMi, the guys who always Shipek Harpet. You know, this is Shipek and Harpet. I met Shipek and Harpet guys outside here.
Princess Diana.
Yo, Princess Diana also there. Yo, those guys really have lead song, guys.
And subscribe to Gabs and Gabby.
Yeah, thank you so much. I love their music.
Love, share, and subscribe.
Thank you so much, guys. Because of them, I got to know about Meghalaya song, and they produce nice hit, guys. Sometimes I don't understand, but I love their beats. Their song is always good. Nice to meet you. Shipek Harpet.
Yeah, bro.
Shipek Harpet. Thank you. Guess whom I met, guys? I usually watch your video being actor. Like honestly, guys, let me just speak about him. It's not my first time to know about him. I've been watching and reacting to a lot of his videos. He's a very good actor and he's so funny comedian, guys.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Welcome. Say
you.
something.
In English.
Yeah, anything. Speak. Actually, most of the people they are watching only from Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
You can speak English.
Yeah,
Khasi, no problem.
Khasi mah.
Khasi.
Ai beli siap bar khoj. Pela kerjaan ya nga berkunjung ya i mini pak mah bawana bar saga jela lah nama bar sagari.
Yes.
Ya ngilai kendu bor seri ak ya video kicengi dari mentang ngilai ya kenduk markman kan ngadap dekat musim so kemen I'm so happy.
I'm so happy also to meet you. You know,
Yeah.
when I was coming to Shillong, I was also planning to meet you. You know,
Yeah.
but I don't have your contact.
Yeah.
I was talking with Amunick all the time because
Yeah.
I also love one of your video with him, that Bolbaring.
Bolbaring.
You were acting on that and he did very well, guys. So nice to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bolbaring, oh kakalidi.